Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18841. So this is part of the Windows 10 Insider Preview 20H1 development branch. Final release of this development branch will be expected sometime in April 2020. So this is the second release in this development branch, and let me show you the version number. So most people are interested in seeing the version number. So this is the version number. So version number has changed. 1903 is still the version number, and OS build 18841, and I'm running Windows 10 Pro. So this build will mostly represent the changes from 19H1 development branch. So yes, so we are not expecting many changes. So let me show you the change log, and yes, as you can see, it was released on February 22. I'm sorry I'm late because I was involved in some personal business. Never mind, as you can see, we are in 20H1 development branch, and yes, we will begin releasing 19H2 bits to Insider later this spring after we get 19H1 nearly finished and ready. So we are expecting 19H2 builds sometime in April. So we will start releasing 19H2, which will be 1907, the version number. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, so I'll keep you updated with the new builds. So yes, we have changes to the Windows Sandbox, but if you are not aware of what Sandbox is and how to enable Sandbox, then I'll link a video up here, so you can see a card up here or links down in the description to watch how to enable Sandbox and how to use Sandbox. So yes, so in this particular build, if I go for Sandbox, so Windows Sandbox, and if I launch it, so as you can see, when I start the Sandbox, it is throwing an error, but the good thing is you can submit feedback directly from here. If you press S, it will directly go to the feedback hub, so that's the good thing. So I cannot show you the things that they improved on Sandbox because it's not opening, so I'm sorry about that. Hopefully they'll fix it in the next build. And the other thing they fixed, which I can show you, is the issue with the .mkv files. If you don't know what .mkv file is, it's a video format, Matroska video file. So yes, that has been causing Windows File Explorer a really bad time. So it is potentially hanging them when you try to rename, delete or move .mkv files. So this was available in past two builds. Now it has fixed. So let me show you. If I right click and rename, I can rename to anything, so that's working. If I want to delete, it gets deleted, and let me bring it back. If I want to move this, I can move that. So that is working. So that issue has been fixed. Other than that, I cannot show you anything else because most of them are fixes, and you know there are issues. So you can go ahead and read this post. I'll link this post down in the description. So if you want to know how to download this build, this particular build, or any other builds from Microsoft, then I'll link a video. In that video I show you how to download and download the Windows 10 builds, any builds. So yes, if you want to watch that, I'll link a video up here, or I'll put a links down in the description. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.